Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and this video we are going to look at 2 free ways to access affiliate products to review and make instant commissions. So, as if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, you definitely should click the link below, access my free guide. It's going to take you from A to Z, finding an offer, setting up the sales funnel, and creating an autoresponder. And it's also going to give you access to some very useful software free of cost. So snag that. And this video we're actually going to focus on how to get access to these affiliate products, so you can create some trust with your viewers and show them that you use the product, which is going to let them know that you use the product. You're not just out to make a quick buck. You're actually use the products yourself. So the first way is we're going to request a review access. So to do that, we need to go and find a product that's going to promote. So we need to first kind of know our list. You need to know what they respond to best. So it's traffic, website creation, video marketing. So I mean, there's so many different problems that are in each niche. For instance, not a lot of people know how to create websites. So if you have a software that can do that for them, or perhaps maybe video marketing, people need to get more views, they need to learn how to create videos, how to rank their videos, get more subscribers to their YouTube channels, or just traffic generation. That's a very popular one. Everybody wants traffic, so if you can find some way to get traffic and lead generation, and then get a hold of a product and review that and then offer it to your list, that's going to go a long way. Okay, so this kind of give you some ideas there. Now we're going to go find a product, and so we're going to come to a site called Muncheye. It's called Muncheye, so you can Google that or just go to www.muncheye.com, and this is where you're going to find everything. You're going to find products that are coming out. So here is the most recent launches that you can look for. Now you can also go, actually I'm going to go off subject, or I'm going to go off a little bit, but you can also go to JVZoo, which a lot of these products are from JVZoo. But if you don't see any products here that you don't like, you can always go to JVZoo, create an account, and then go to find products, and you can go to here, past 7 days, and do the same thing. Just find products that are selling. You want to find products that are selling. So everything here is selling. So there's a good one. I just did a review on that one. Actually used the second method for that one. Video Titan, same thing. So these are all, this focuses on video marketing. So if you have a video marketing list, traffic, so you get the point. So that's another method to find the traffic, or find a product, affiliate product to promote. So once you have gotten to where you're looking for a product, you're just going to find a product that you think your list would like, so you can look it over. So we're actually going to go to this one. I've been hearing a lot about this, so we'll go here, and this kind of falls into the traffic. So people want traffic, they want to find new ways to get traffic, so this is going to help them, and it's going to show them how to get traffic with their fan page. So it's going to give them a new way, because Facebook has been doing some changing their policies, so it's been a lot harder for people to make money through their Facebook fan page. So you'll come to the JV page, and you'll go through, and if it looks like something that your list would like, you can just scroll down and check it out. Make sure it has tools that's going to help you. email swipes, or this one comes with a bonus, so this is going to be really cool. So definitely, just click on that, and you usually just enter your JVZoo affiliate link once you request it. But right now we're just going to focus on getting that review access to the affiliate product. So, but this looks like it's promising. So you're going to scroll all the way down until you find the product creator, and then you're just going to contact him. You can copy and paste that into your browser. If you're on Skype, you can find him on Skype, or you can just copy his name into the search bar. But either way, you're just going to make sure you find his Facebook profile, or contact him whatever way he provides down here, or that they provide down here, and then you're just going to say something similar to this. Hey, no, I was just looking over your product. My list and social following would love it. It would really help them. I was wondering if review access is available. If so, can you please send me a copy? It's just that simple. And he's going to say no or yes, and then he's going to ask you more questions. But this way is much better than going to like the JVZoo link request site and just saying, can I get a review copy? Because depending on the number of sales you have, they don't know you, so it just kind of helps improve your chances of getting review access. So if they start building a relationship with you, they're gonna get to know who you are. They know you're not just some they don't know who you are, just some Joe Blow coming along trying to get access to the product and get a free product and then spam their link all over the internet. They want to know who you are, and what you can do for them. And once they see that you're serious, they're going to be more willing to give you that review access and help you out throughout the whole launch. And then you'll get, chances are they'll have another launch, and you'll be on the contact list for the next launch. So that's usually how it goes. So that's just one way. Now the next way is, you're gonna kind of flip out a little bit because it says purchase a copy. I know it says 2 free ways, but just hang in there. So if you don't get the review access, you can always just purchase a copy and then promote the product, doing the review and all that, putting on your review blog and all that. And then you can simply get your ROI back. I mean, that's what a lot of affiliates do. It's just like an investment, and most products are $15. So I mean, you're gonna make that back with 1 to 2 sales, depending on the commission. So it's 50% commission to 2 sales, 100% 1 sale. So it's not that big of a deal. I've done it many times, and I still do it. But the main thing is you want to show that you use the product, because it builds the trust with the viewer. So that when they see that you're using the product, that you have the product, instead of just saying, yeah, it's really great, it's awesome, I really, but they don't see that you have it, and they're going to go to somebody else who has it. So that's just one of many factors involved with promoting affiliate products and making instant commissions with them. So there's much more, but this is a very important one. So I hope this helped. Just go and do that, and just contact people, ask for review copies. If that doesn't happen, then purchase a copy, make your ROI back with 1 to 2 sales. So if you want more affiliate training, click the link below. I have a free guide that's going to take you by the hand, like I mentioned before in the opening video of this video, and access that. It's free. It comes with free software, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to have much more videos like this with affiliate marketing tips and more. So do that, and have an awesome day.